Please hit like now and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. I'm going to do a quick video on replacing a sky in an image with Luminar 4. Here is a nice gray day. It's cloudy. The sky looks awful. So we're going to just go over to here. We're in Lightroom and we're going to move to Luminar 4. Edit in Luminar 4 and open up a copy with Lightroom adjustments. There aren't any, but here we go. And Luminar will open up. Sometimes when you make adjustments in Lightroom, it won't allow you to replace the sky. So we're not making any adjustments, and we're coming into Luminar. And here you can see I'm going to adjust this part first, all the other area, to make it look a little brighter. And I have a setting here that I already have that I saved for a cloudy day, and it says cloudy. I've named it that. Put it in my favorites. And if I click on that, it will make all those adjustments just automatically. And I can see, well, do I want to change any of them? So I'll look at the light. In here I put the color temperature up a bit. I pulled the green down a bit. I'll pull the green down just a little bit more. I'm going to adjust the water and stuff in Lightroom later. Maybe I'll pull the yellow back a little more. And then I'll look at AI enhancement, because I think it's a little too rough here. As far as it looks a little too much. So I might cut the boost back a little bit here. So it looks a little harder. But in this setting, I had this amount up and the boost up. Actually, just the boost up. And to me, that looks okay. It looks like a brighter day. Let's see what else I had in this preset. I had smart contrast up a little bit because this brighter day will be a little more contrasty. Had the highlights up a little bit because it'll have more highlights on a brighter, sunnier day. The shadows are up a little bit because there'd be more visible shadows on a brighter day too. Okay, and so we got this part adjusted. Now we have to fix the sky here. So I'm going to go here to the creative mode and go to AI replacement and then select the sky that I want. Now for me, I'm going to choose load custom sky, which I have some custom skies that I like, and I'll just choose this one here. It's fine. You know, I have different ones selected. They're just skies that I had previously made and put in there, but you can choose one of theirs if you like. And then it puts it right there in there and fills it out pretty good. But you notice it's going pretty deep, at least in this one, into the image here. And I don't want it to do that and make it look blue, which makes it look gray again. So there are some adjustments we have here: the horizon blending, horizon position, relight scene, sky global, and then you have advanced things here. One of them is close gaps and one of them is local sky. And you can see if I pull the close gaps down and pull the local sky down, it helps a little with all that. Let's see what else we can do. Sky temperature, yeah, I think I want the sky temperature a little warmer. Sky exposure, definitely want that up. Going to look here because it's not really good. Relight scene, if I pull that down, it'll lessen the relighting. If you see, if I pull it up, you can see it goes way down here. It's filling in the water, and sometimes it'll fill in the rooftops if they're, you know, picked up by the AI. Global, you can see it filled in all those areas globally. And let's see, the horizon position, I want to pull it back because it's way down. It's way down there. So I'm pulling the horizon position down, blending. The blending is going to blend it into the picture more. If I pull the blending back, I'm going to pull it out. Let's see if I just pull all these down. Just trying to get this to go away here. Let's see. I can also draw out the mask. That's a possibility too. Okay, the position, what if I put it up? Okay. So that's getting more like it. All right, so I'm just pulling this up the image that I have, so it's not so deep into the down here. Okay, so to me, that's helping more than anything else. So now I'm getting to the point where it's looking okay. All right, so I pulled all those automatic settings that they have here down. I put the temperature up a little. I also put the exposure up because to me the sky needed to be brighter. You can bring it down if you think you like a darker sky, but for me, I'm trying to get a bright sunny day, so up like that is good. So really all I did was pull everything down and put the temperature towards the yellow, and then the exposure all the way up, and the horizon position, I adjusted it so it just pulled that image up till it came up to here and wasn't pushing into the picture so much. See, if I pull it down, you can see it's going to go into the picture more, or down here. And if I pull it up, it's going to pull that whole image up higher out of this picture. So to me, that looks good. Now, if I push this into, if I put this into Lightroom, I'll be able to make all the adjustments I need here to make this look good, and I'll fill that in with blue. So I'm going to say apply, and we'll bring it into Lightroom because that's all we needed to do for the sky in Luminar 4. Please hit like now and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.